Do it or do it not. Let's go, fool. Hurry up.
I see some pussies.
Levi, he's trying to fight, so.
I see some pussies right now.
Like, you want to score? If you don't, then don't.
I told you earlier.
You know what, Levi? What I said earlier? It goes double time this time. Your mom can't cook, and she smells like doo-doo, too.
Stupid.
You know what? Fuck you, bro. Your mom can't cook and she smell like doo-doo, and her fucking cats be running around all the whole fucking neighborhood, and I hit one of them one time. I hit one of them. One of them motherfuckers got killed by my motherfucking vehicle. I don't give a shit. My name Levi.
Either it is or it's not, fool.
Moose, handle this shit.
You know what I'm saying, fool? I'm wearing a wife beater right now. I don't give a damn what happens, fool. What happens, because my wife beater is on. Well, you know what? I'm wearing a fucking black shirt, so that means that I came here to chill and party. It's like wearing fucking basketball shorts to a party.
It's all easy.
You know what, let me go into sissy apology mode where I cross my fucking arms.
It's up to you.
Let me go into sissy apology
right now.
Sissy apology mode while I put my hands in my pockets. Sissy apology mode where I cross my arms.
Shut up.
Hey, I'm just saying.
But y'all take your pussies and put it in your back pocket right now.
Hey, y'all need jumbo tampons?